In his address to BJP Karyakartas on the 40th foundation of the party, Prime Minister Modi said that the maturity shown by people in a large country like India to follow the lockdown was unprecedented. He urged party workers to ensure food for the poor, follow social distancing, encourage use and distribution of masks, support to the Prime Minister Cares Fund, and to install Arogya Setu app, among other things. In a blog post, former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan called the coronavirus the greatest emergency since independence. He urged the government to call people with proven expertise and capabilities, including from opposition parties, to deal with the coronavirus pandemic and not control everything from the Prime Minister's office with the same overworked people deciding action plans. He warned that such a strategy would result in action that's too little, too late. A hospital in Mumbai has been shut and declared a containment zone after 3 doctors and 26 nurses tested positive for the highly contagious novel coronavirus. A probe has also been ordered to investigate the unprecedented spike in the number of cases and rapid spread of COVID-19 at the Wockhardt Hospital. Mumbai, remember, is one of the COVID-19 hotspots in India listed by the government. Zoos across India have been advised to be on high alert and monitor animals 24/7 through CCTV for any symptoms or abnormal behavior as a precautionary measure. This order comes after a tiger in New York's Bronx Zoo tested positive for the COVID-19. She and a few other big cats displayed dry cough and loss of appetite. However, the animals are expected to recover fully. The Indian Council for Medical Research will receive about 7 lakh rapid antibody testing kits by April the 8th. These will help in conducting COVID-19 tests in hotspot areas where large number of cases are being seen. The ICMR will get delivery in a phased manner. It's expected that they'll get 5 lakh kits in the first phase, and orders have been placed. The government has estimated that India will need about 27 million N95 masks, 15 million PPEs, 1.6 million diagnostic kits, and 50,000 ventilators in the next 2 months to fight the spread of COVID-19. The private sector, NGOs, and international organizations are being roped in to meet this demand. The estimate was presented to industry representatives during a meeting on April the 3rd. Over 80% of the total positive cases in India have been traced to 62 districts across the country. Top government sources quoted by reports say restrictions are likely to continue in these districts even after the nationwide 21-day lockdown ends on April the 14th. Across the country, 274 districts have reported COVID-19 cases so far. US President Donald Trump said he has requested Prime Minister Modi to release the amount of hydroxychloroquine ordered by the United States. New Delhi is considering the request, according to reports. Trump says this game-changer malaria drug can treat COVID-19 patients, although it's not a cure. India had on Saturday banned all exports of hydroxychloroquine, anticipating domestic requirements for the drug.